If you're having trouble logging into Tally Forms, don't worry. This is a pretty common issue and usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Tally Forms login issues step by step. First, make sure you're entering the correct email and password. Even a small typo can stop you from logging in. If you're not sure about your password, click on the Forgot Password option and reset it using your email. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can block the login process. Sometimes stored browser data causes login errors. Clear your cache and cookies, then try logging in again. If the issue continues, open Tally in incognito mode. This disables extensions that might interfere with login. Some extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can prevent login. Try disabling them temporarily. If you're using Google Login or single sign-on, make sure your account is still connected and authorized. If nothing works, try logging in from a different browser or device to rule out device-specific issues. Sometimes the issue is on Tally's side. Check if the service is temporarily down or under maintenance, and that's how to fix Tally Forms login issues. So in most cases, it's just a small browser or password problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.